Hey guys, Danny Johnson here, and over the years I've collected different wrench sets. Some have been passed down, and as you can see I'm missing a few of them here, which kind of drives me crazy. I have everything I need on the ratcheting wrenches, but I'm going through some of these other ones. Something that you can do is go to pawn shops, and sometimes they have bins like this full of wrenches. However, a lot of times the better brands have already been picked through, but if you're just needing a certain size, it's an affordable way to find what you're looking for. They also do the same, at least at my pawn shop, with some sockets, and so it's kind of useful to go through and see if you're just missing one piece. It's an affordable way to find new ones. If you go online on eBay, you're looking about $8.50 per wrench is kind of the going rate, so it is expensive for a single. And if you go to the hardware store, you can get this 11 pack for about $34, so that comes out to about $3 per wrench. So it's not bad if you want to have to buy the whole set, but if you're only missing one wrench, it really doesn't solve your problem. So they also do sell them individually, which is nice, but if you look, these are like basically $9 or $10 each. And so where they're costing $3 per wrench as a pack, I think the price could be a little bit better. If they were $5 each, I don't know, I might buy them. But at this rate, when I found all three that I needed, it came out to almost $30. So I'm basically at the same price to buy these three replacement wrenches that I needed and to just buy a whole new set. So it's kind of a little frustrating. But anyway, as you go for some of the bigger wrench sets here, I was surprised it's actually $3.25 per wrench, so you didn't really save much going to the bigger one. You'd think buying in bulk would get you more. So anyway, this is just kind of what I was looking for. In the end, I was able to find what I needed, at least to complete some sets. They're mismatching, which doesn't really matter. It was just kind of an OCD thing. But anyway, that was my little scavenger hunt for the weekend. Just wanted to share this with you. So anyway, thanks for watching. Check the video description for more videos like this. If you're new to the channel, feel free to subscribe. Thanks, guys.